Hello, tech enjoyers. Today, we're going to be doing a challenge. I'm your host, sometimes Zach.
That poor table.
Anyway, I'm with my friend Unnamed, and well, today, we're going to be doing a bit of a PC challenge.
If I am on camera, this is how you'll see me.
Today, we've got a bit of a thing. We're going to be building a PC blindfolded. That's a scarf because we didn't have a blindfold.
Don't question it.
If you do, we'll scream. We're going to be building a PC completely blindfolded. I'm not going to be blindfolded, I'm going to be guiding, and he's going to be completely blindfolded through the whole process. He gets 3 lifelines, where he will, if he can't do something, I'll take over and do it for him. But I'm also going to monkey's paw it, so if he just says place the motherboard in the case, I'm only going to put it in. Whereas if he says mount the motherboard in the case, I'm going to mount it in. I'd like to clarify, I'm not just going to build the PC if that's one of his lifelines. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe as it would help out a ton. And we're a new channel, so every subscription and like helps. And enjoy the video. I'm also not allowed to touch you to help you at all through the process. Just caress the parts real quick, okay? I'm just going to quickly test this power supply, which I should have done before we started filming, but whoopsie doopsies. Also, just a few things before we start. One other advantage he's going to have is things like the CPU fan mount are already mounted on, because we've got a tower cooler. The SSD will already be mounted into the case. And things like the I/O shield will already be in the case. Just tedious screwing in, things like that. Also, the fans will be in the case. The only reason the CPU is still in there is because we put the fan mount in and very quickly discovered that we couldn't get at the CPU while that was in and couldn't be bothered undoing it. Are you ready to start? Take that as a yes, because no isn't an option.
I guess so.
So what do we need to do first?
Well, I presume the tower cooler.
Yes. So you need thermal paste. I'm not allowed to touch you or hand parts to you.
It would have been helpful if I had looked at where everything was before.
It's, you know where the RAM is? The RAM?
No. Like I said, it would have been helpful if I memorized this.
RAM? Your hand's like over the RAM. That's RAM.
Yeah.
To the right of that. That's the left. The other, right?
I thought it was like, you know, when you're in but the opposite,
Yeah.
what's it called? Opposite pole, like everything changes.
No, I account for that. Because I'm perfect.
As much as you're going to get back.
Oh, we're out of thermal paste. Okay. That'll do. It's good enough.
Can you give me a tissue? That doesn't count because I need to wash my hand.
Okay.
Thermal paste doesn't count. It's toxic. Don't use your fingers. Don't be dumb.
It's upside down. Oh crud, I forgot how finicky this is. That's the PCI slot. Do the other side first, the other side's harder. Yeah, go around the groove and find the bump.
I can feel it on one side. It's hard to feel it on the other.
Yeah, which is why it's harder. Which is why I suggested doing that one first. Because you got more leniency with the first one.
Come on. You can never find the sweet spot.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, have you got it?
No. I can feel where it is now, at least.
You're to the right of it. You're too far back. There it is. You're... I'll admit this is...
Tedious.
Yeah, not going as well as I was planned. As planned.
Is there a clip for it?
Oh. Oh? Oh, you gotta go a bit higher.
Hey!
Don't let that click off by any means. We're nearly there.
Got
it. Hey, we got it.
That's my first time doing it, folks.
Oh,
I
yeah.
did it blindfolded. You can do it too.
That's his first tower cooler mount.
What's next? RAM.
Plugging the tower cooler in. It should be like a fan header on the... Oh, your finger's just over it. It's right behind that big metal block bit. That metal block, go down. You feel the metal... I'm trying to click and Okay, that was a really stupid idea. Yeah, that one, that's USB headers, yeah? There. Right behind.
Ow. Felt it.
Felt it. Make sure you're the right way around. I'll tell you if you're the right way around.
Yeah, I can feel that I'm the right way around.
It's backwards.
Is it actually?
Yes.
Oh my god, that explains a fair bit.
We're doing RAM next. Find your RAM. That's the power supply. That's the graphics card.
There we go.
Stick 1 and stick 2. Oh yeah. Remember, this is DDR3, so the notch is pretty drastic, so you should be able to find it pretty easily. Find which end it's in. Find the RAM slot. You feel where there it is. You just gotta feel it. Oh. Missed it.
Are these inputs? Yes.
Oh, never mind. But you did do the outside one first, and now you've got to do it on the inside.
That's fine.
Okay, that was surprisingly simple, actually. I think next we'll start mounting things into the case. So...
Oh yeah, because we're actually using a case.
Yeah, this isn't a test bench. Well, no, it is a test bench, but we're mounting it. This is the case we're building into. It's a Goliath. Either way, it'll probably have its own dedicated video at some point because it's a really interesting case. So if you want to hear about that, stick around and subscribe. Fans already mounted into it. Because things like mounting the SSD in the fans, which is literally just screwing, has already been done.
So anyways, I kind of forgot a screwdriver. So, just going back to get that.
The only reason I put the SSD in the fans in is because it's essentially just screwing in, and that's just finicky. And probably not entertaining to watch. So it could have been done blindfolded, but just speeding up the process. Power supply or motherboard?
I reckon I'll do power supply.
Okay.
Am I putting it in the right way?
Yep.
Told ya, like reading braille.
The screwing it in bit's gonna be fun.
Oh, yep. Monkey paw.
Monkey paw?
What's it called?
Oh,
Cheap.
Lifeline.
Yeah, Lifeline Pharmacy.
Wait.
Non-spawn.
Before you say anything, remember it is a monkey paw situation. Be very careful with what you say.
Okay. Zach?
Yeah.
I want you to mount the PSU with all the screws put into the correct holes at the bottom of my PC case, please.
I can do that.
That's how the monkey paw works.
I'm trying to think of a way I can screw this up with the monkey paw, but I don't have one.
Because I said it very specifically.
Yeah. Look, I knew you were going to go specific, especially for the first one. I figured you wouldn't get careless too fast. But...
Jeez Louise, it was very specific.
Yeah. We don't have a SATA cable for the DVD drive, and I can't be bothered getting one. I will say, I thought I was going to be guiding and instructing far more than I am. I am just not useful at all.
Now, you want to know how you could have screwed me over?
How?
I just said screw it in. I didn't say screw it in all the way.
Oh, crud. Okay, fair play.
I can't believe you didn't pick up on that, of all the people.
Fair play. I'll give you that. Your power supply is mounted. What's next?
Next, I will put in the motherboard.
You've missed horribly so far.
No, I haven't.
You're trying to plug audio plugs through USB holes.
So USB? No.
Oh. No?
One more down.
You've missed. Oh, you pushed the IO shield out. It's still in place, so just give it a good shove.
There we go. Back in. Let's feel where the holes are. Don't go feeling holes, kids. That's probably as in as it gets.
Give me a look, give me a look. Give me a look, you do.
Oh, hang on. No, I feel it poking out this side now.
Oh yeah, that's nowhere near in.
Oh. How about now? How about now?
It needs to go further. It's not on the spokes. Oh.
How about now?
Oh, what's holding it back? It'll do. You've just pulled it out.
I'm gonna try that. Let's try that.
You've pushed it out.
Have I?
Wait, no, you haven't.
Okay. I'm leaving it like that because you're not giving good instructions.
That'll do. That'll do. That'll do. Look, it's not great, but it should be straight enough to mount. Is on the top, the second row. The second one on the top.
That's top. Second row.
That second one? Yep, that one. So,
where is it? I lost a screw.
Wait, I didn't see where you dropped it. I can't see. Gone to the 8th row, apparently. I don't see it at all. Go right. Do you see
There's
it?
something blocking me there. What do you mean do I see? I'm blindfolded.
Okay.
Jesus Christ, it's like, I see you to a blind man. Oh yeah, hang on, there's something there. Is that it?
I can't see.
There's a hole somewhere over here.
Yes, your finger will essentially just straight on it, yes.
Oh, hello. Screwdriver. What are you, you're a Phillips?
Do you think I got other screwdrivers to deceive you?
Probably.
Look, I'm a jerk. I'm not that much of a jerk.
Heyo. That ain't screwing in, Chief. That's loose.
Have you knocked it off the spokes?
No. I don't think so. Have I?
You've knocked it off the spokes.
Have I?
Yeah. Apparently to the 8th.
Hang on, I have an idea. Magnets.
It's not magnetic.
Yeah, it is.
Oh my god, it's magnetic. You got it.
Hooray!
I didn't even realize it was magnetic. Whoops. Wait, then why don't you just put the screw on the end of the screwdriver first if it's magnetic? Oh my god, I'm smart.
It's going in.
Yeah!
Hooray!
We got one.
1 of 6.
I don't think we're mounting on 6, bucko.
Wait, where is it? They're right there.
Yep. You got this. Don't even need me. I may as well just go.
What do you mean? I definitely need
Bye-bye.
you. No!
You got this. Bye.
Bye. So, yeah, Zach left me because Zach's a jerk. It's not on a spoke, is it? No. That'll do. We won't tell Zach. As long as...
Try pulling up on it, yeah.
Dodgy won't do. Oh, hey, I can feel it though. Felt the smoke when it came up. Ooh.
At least you got some spokes in. It didn't just go straight up.
What, straight up and spoke?
No. At least it didn't just lift straight off when you lifted it.
Feel.
Oh, broken spoke.
Let's try a bigger screw.
Oh, let's just try a different spoke. Let's just try a different spoke.
Bigger screw.
Otherwise it won't come out again.
No, it's not going in. Oh. Well, maybe it is.
Well.
It'll come out. It's going in fairly easily.
Okay. Remember the little pullback thing that you missed?
I found that pretty quick. There we go. Did that just click in?
I don't think so.
Yes, it did.
You just need a thumb screw for that one. You could just take one that's already on there. Because the top 4 slots don't have covers on them.
Whatever, that works. I'll take this one.
Okay.
Because I like this one, the rest are mean.
Oh.
I guess.
The
There
clip
it is.
thing is pointing towards the CPU core, not away. So go backwards.
Backwards compatibility.
Wait, no, you're not.
Would you stop this?
I was incorrect.
There.
That's the RAM.
No, it's not.
You're plugging it into the RAM.
No, I'm not. Don't tell me what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing.
Did you actually just get it? Oh, huh.
That just slid in like butter.
Yeah, I was going to say that one cleaning. Ooh, the 8-pin's going to be fun.
What's that?
The CPU power.
No, what's this?
What's that? Like, that would be, if I can see...
Feels like SATA.
SATA, yeah. Shall we plug that in next? It's
Sure.
right under the 24 pin.
Let's untangle it so that I can feel where I'm going.
There. It's untangled enough. It's right under the 24 pin.
Yeah, except there's like 50 cables in my way from the feels of it.
Whoopsie doopsie.
Hooray!
Oh, is that in already?
Yep.
Oh, huh.
I'm sliding these in.
Ooh.
SATA, big.
Yes, we will do that last because that is we're gonna have to lift up the PC case for.
Okay, true. I'll have that over here somewhere.
What if I said that the 8-pin CPU connector is gonna have to go in between the CPU cooler and the side of the case?
What?
Put your hand on the CPU cooler. Go to the side that the fans are. It's in between there.
Where? Up and down, buddy. Up and down.
Your like middle finger's on it. Me thinks you'll need a lifeline.
Me thinks I'm going to do this.
Okay. Ow.
Ratio?
A little bit. You get a little ratio. Not a big one, just a little ratio.
I think I just jammed that in. Is that in?
Can I see? One of them is.
This is great because I have massive hands. Is that in? Properly?
Oh, that's one of them.
Is it in the right holes?
Yeah. Just don't pull that one out. Because they both need a... No, sorry. Only one of them needs to be in to run. But, well, of course, you want them both in. Otherwise, we're going real dodgy.
Okay, there we go.
They're both in?
No. I was just checking something.
Try not to pull it too far over. Pull it out. Pull the other one out.
Come on, I think that's it.
Oh? 8 pins in.
Hooray! Finally! I might cry.
Please do. Very close, babe. You got the front audio headers, the USB E2, USB, and power.
USB 2, which one's that?
No, USB 3, sorry.
Which one's that? Is that...
It's the big blue one. Oh, wait!
What the... Dude. Are you aware of what this video is?
It's the big one with 2 cables. That one. Yes, that's the USB 3. You've also got standard USB.
Okay, where's this go to?
Was it?
Because in my PC, it goes to a USB 3 card.
That one... Oh, this is going to be interesting. Because this bit's really finicky.
What do you mean?
Like, if you plug it in wrong, it'll break it.
Where is it?
Just under the graphics card.
Tell me where?
Not that. Down a little bit. There. Your middle finger's on it.
That.
Do you see the... It's like a square.
Zach, I can't see!
Yeah, your middle finger's
That
on
thing?
it, yes.
My nail's in it.
No, not your nail. The one that your finger's on. Under it. Oh, your main finger was on it then.
There?
Just under it.
There's nothing...
Towards you, sorry, towards you.
That.
No above that.
That's a graphics card.
No. When I say at the moment, for right now, when I say above, I mean up. Only this time, though.
Okay, I'm here.
It's a black square. Go.
A black square.
Go towards you. Go. Right. That.
Right there.
Yes, but it matters what way you plug it in. Oh, you're plugging it in the right way. Never mind.
Well, there's a little dent that you can...
Yeah.
Will it reach?
Yeah.
Is that it?
Nope. That's the PCI 1X. There you go.
Is it gonna reach?
Just pull it a little harder.
Because that won't break it at all. Next is the front I/O, isn't it? Or is there
Yes.
anything else beforehand?
There's a few other little things, but I would recommend doing front I/O first.
Okay, Zach.
Okay.
I want you
Yeah.
to put the front I/O in each correct spot, like as in the LEDs go in its right spot, the restart button goes in the correct spot on the board.
Okay.
So I want your negative LED at the very top left. I want your positive LED at the top left, but the second one in. I want your power button next to your LEDs. I want your restart button in the below the power button cable, and I want your hard drive LED mababa to go in underneath the LEDs. Please.
That's it?
Yes.
Okay, I can do that. I'm gonna be honest, I thought you were gonna ask me to do the USBs too.
No. Which ones are the USBs?
That one. That one's the debug, sorry. That one is the exact same except just different. So you said negative first?
Yep, negative in the top left.
You sure?
Yes.
You double sure? Because I'm pretty sure plus goes on plus.
You heard me.
Okay. It's the only other header we have.
Gently caress the case to be happy.
The case simply states that it has a boyfriend.
The case makes me cry.
The case is confused way of crying because it simply stated that it was already in a loving relationship, and shouldn't you be happy for it? Ooh, we've made a mistake.
Uh-oh.
Keep plugging that in, but... So, we don't have to fix it, it'll still run, right? But what if I said that the CPU cooler was backwards and was pulling air in the wrong direction?
Is that it?
Yes.
I don't feel it. Okay, which one is it? Which way?
If you... The side that's facing towards you... Oh, okay, never mind, you got it.
No, I can feel it.
Yeah, okay.
If you caress your finger along it.
I'm assuming you can just feel up where the missing pin is?
Is that it there?
Okay. No.
No?
Oh, is it? I can't see. No, it is not.
It's hard to
That's
tell.
it.
That's it? Where's the missing pin? Danny. Can't feel that.
I don't know how to help much here.
Yeah, that's him.
As
That's him.
far as I can tell.
I just built a PC blindfolded.
Yeah.
That puts me ahead of you.
What? Couldn't have done without me.
You're not wrong.
We built a PC blindfolded. This one. Commie nerd. Are you ready to test our wonderful creation? Flick the power switch.
We finally did it, guys.
I'll hit the... No,
I'm
okay. I'll flick the power switch. Hit the button.
testing. If it blows up, it's on you.
Normally this is the part where it posts.
Well, something's been done wrong.
We were doing some tinkering to make
I
sure...
used that as my last monkey paw.
Yeah, you still had a lifeline to be fair.
So, all
Why
is
it
good.
on? I didn't turn it off. Only the fan's on?
No.
It boots.
Now the fan should have lit up.
Yep.
Is it on? Oh, it is. Okay. I
She
don't know.
works.
And with that, folks, I just built a PC blindfolded with the help of Zach.
Yeah. We'll just wait for it to go into Windows. Hey! And she boots into Windows.
Let's go.
There was 2 problems with it. One, we had front USB plugged into debug. That was entirely my fault, not the one blindfolded. I told him to do it. And number 2, the fans, we've got it open air at the moment. Fans are not spinning. But once again, I was supposed to set that up off camera and was entirely my fault. But everything that was built blindfolded entirely works. I'd call that a mission success. Especially because all the tinkering we did, he still had a leftover a monkey paw. Lifeline, whatever you want to call it.
We did it, folks.
I'd say overall that was a success. Would you agree?
I do.
Where's that? I'll take that there. Yeah. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. We would appreciate it a ton as we're small creators and all brand new channel. It helps out a ton. Any final words? Okay.